Hello, my name is Andreas and today I will show you how you can use the monitor in CODEO. Let's go!
Welcome to A Cup of CODEO, your 5-minute tutorial.
We start in the CODEO main perspective. On the left side there's the remote system view. With the PikeOS simulation target prepared, let's start it by clicking the play button. When the target is started, I'm able to connect to the monitor subsystem. The monitor subsystem has different entities: the module, service and PikeOS. While the module is the entire system, service and PikeOS are two partitions. With opening one of the partition, I get access to different views to display data. Let's open the status view. CODEO will ask me to switch to the monitor perspective. On the monitor perspective, we now see the status of the target. On the left side, I still have access to the different views to display them into the perspective. If I open one of the views, the layout will be automatically rearranged to a useful setup. The data is usually shown as a table or as a graph, like here in the memory view. It uses a graph to display some of the values that are shown in the table above. It's also possible to easily access another partition by just clicking on the threads underneath. Here we see different threads. One of the threads is changing their priority, but this happens rarely. It's difficult to see such a change just from a table. To make it better visible, we use a graph. Any value in a table can be selected this way, and CODEO will then open a graph view that plots the data over time. The data is collected by sampling. Sampling can be enabled and disabled independently per view. This can be used to save bandwidth. It's also possible to pin a view. Pinning the view means it's locked to the current data source. In a consequence, I can open the threads in a new view. Now when I click on threads in service partition, it opens next to each other, because one view is pinned and the other is not. This way I can easily compare information or data. Now let's display the CPU usage of the current thread. To enable CPU usage measurement, I have to enable the so-called timer counting. We use the default value and CPU usage value comes to life. Now I can also display this in a graph. Oh, but now there's a problem. Since the CPU usage is a bigger number than the priority, we have a problem with the current scale. To fix that, I want to open the CPU usage in a new graph. To do this, I pin the graph view and remove the data source CPU usage. Now I can go back to my threads view again and select CPU usage again. Showing graph will now open a new view because the other view is pinned. This way I can easily see the values side by side. Of course I can add more information and data to the other view. The graph is automatically scaling to the value and to the size. The arrangement of the views will be remembered by the monitor. If I disconnect, it will stop, and when I reconnect, it will continue with the current settings.
Yes, and that's it. I hope you liked it. See you next time.
You can try out our CODEO IDE together with a free ELinOS test version. Go to our website and start your experience.